The meltdown on Wall Street could impact the environment. Finding more than $100 million to pay for sewer and other projects is a heavy lift in this economic environment. NJN News environment correspondent Ed Rogers has our exclusive report.
Improvements at Trenton's water treatment plant, the solar panels at the Atlantic County Municipal Utilities Authority. Financing to help pay for these and other projects came from a small agency in the DEP called the New Jersey Environmental Infrastructure Trust.
Say a municipality like Trenton going out and borrowing money at 5 or 6% interest rate, they can come to this program. They get the benefit of our AAA rating, and we can then loan them the money at 1 or 2% interest rate.
Dennis Hart, the executive director of the trust, says it's impossible to borrow money now. On October 22nd, the trust was scheduled to sell $140 million of tax-free AAA-rated bonds. The proceeds would pay for 60 projects. The credit crisis has forced the agency to postpone the sale for a week. That delay could last longer.
We sell the highest, most sought-after bonds on Wall Street, tax-free, AAA, natural-rated, no bond insurance involved, and the entire infrastructure of Wall Street is at a standstill right now.
For the last few weeks, the talk has been about how the crisis on Wall Street will hit Main Street, but in this case, it's about the impact on what runs under Main Street. The delayed bond sale includes a $25 million loan to the Bergen County Utilities Authority to help pay for a 7-mile sewer line replacement from Englewood to Little Ferry and an $11 million sewer project in Newark. Work on these projects will probably not come to an immediate halt, but Hart says that loan commitments might have to be reworked if the credit crisis drags out longer. Hart says the trust has underwritten $4 billion of projects over the years that have provided thousands of jobs. Many of the sewer facility upgrades help to improve water quality. He says there's another market problem. The pool of potential bond buyers has shrunk.
Last year at this time when we sold bonds, we had 9 different banking and investment bank institutions bid on them. 4 of those are no longer in business.
Hart says he isn't sure whether the recent financial rescue plan approved by Congress will bring confidence back to the credit market. Ed Rogers, NJN News, Lawrenceville.